Do you need live transcribe to recognize a different language? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you set both a primary and a secondary language, then switch between them instantly while using live transcribe. Let me show you how. First, open Settings, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Next, tap Hearing Enhancement. Then tap Live Transcribe. Now, tap Open Live Transcribe. Tap the settings icon in the bottom left corner. Then tap More Settings. To change your main transcription language, tap Primary Language. For this example, let's keep English as the primary language. Tap the back key. Now, tap Secondary Language. Select the language you want to add. For this example, let's choose French. As a note, if this is the first time you are using that language, your phone will automatically download the required language pack. Once the download is complete, tap the back button to return to live transcribe. Now you can simply tap the language bar at the bottom of the screen to switch between your primary and secondary language. Live transcribe will immediately begin recognizing speech in the selected language. And that's how to change languages in live transcribe on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.